Introducing the new A Simple Plan Parent-Teacher Planner and the two new Student Planners from Mardel.
This year's designs are Flora Patina, Sunset Valley, and This Is My Happy Place. Our planners have been upgraded to a thinner and lighter design while still containing all of the amazing content from our previous top-selling planners. This year's planners also have double metal spirals featured in coordinating colors, 3 full pages of themed stickers, perfect for additional organization, more durable laminated covers with dual pockets located in the back. Each planner is set up from July 2023 to June 2024, so you can organize your school year to fit your family's needs. You can lay out lesson plans ahead of time or record as you go for up to 6 students. If you need help getting started, sample pages are located at the front of the planner to give you ideas of how to use your new planner. Our parent planner also includes planning and overview sections broken down by year, month, and week for in-depth planning, formatted and spaciously designed for up to 6 subjects per student, handy teacher materials including attendance keeping, curriculum tracking, grading chart, suggested reading list, and space for future planning. In addition to our Flora Patina file folders, we now offer a set of Flora Patina sticky notes. This easily removable pack allows you to place it anywhere in your parent planner. Our student planners focus on academics to help your independent middle and high school students stay on track. Smaller in size, they reflect the layout of the parent planner to make it easy for you to guide them. Our student planners include overview pages to write out goals, achievements, and future planning, weekly and daily assignment pages with large blocks, and space for journaling year-end thoughts and reflections. We hope you enjoy your homeschool year. Find more at mardel.com or visit one of our stores.